Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about in this video SQL and database. So this is a very little confusion topic, is what is SQL and database and what is a MySQL. That's all. Okay. So SQL is nothing but a structured query language. That means it is a language which perform the queries in the structure form. Okay. So like a language Java, Python, C, C++, this language are used to interact with a system or machine. So SQL language is used to interact with a database. Suppose this is a database and this is a user, and they want to perform some operation like they want to insert some data into database, they want to update some data into database, and they want to retrieve or get some information from database, and they want to delete some data from database. This is called operation. So how user will interact with database? So there is a facility of SQL. It is a language, it is a structured query language which are used to perform all this such types of operation between human to database. Okay. So some people are think about SQL is a database system. So it is a not, but it is a query language. It is not a database, it is a query language. So there could be so many queries, or there could be so many operations that have to be performed by a human, and they need to be performed by a human or users. Okay. So here, for example, I have some words is there like Fox Pro, Clippers, RDBMS, Oracle, MySQL, MongoDB, PostgreSQL, SQL Server, and DB2, Sybase, and Informix. These all are the software. These all are a database, and these all are a different software which must have to install in your system to perform the operation with the help of SQL, structured query language. So hope you are getting the point and getting the difference between SQL and database. This is the example of database of different software. So next point is, what is data? A data is nothing but a collections of a distinct small units of information. In a computer or in a systems, every single units are stored in a memory is called data. It could be used in a variety of form like a text, numbers, media, bytes, image, video, etc. There could be many things. It can be stored in a piece of paper or electronic memories, etc. Okay. So in your phone or laptop, what things are you are using on your screen, that is called a data. But there is some informatic data is like image, videos, text, PDF file, etc. So what is database is here? So database is an organized collections of data so that it can be easily accessed and managed. That means database is a organized collections of data. So data is here what? All the information like a text, number, media, bytes, and these are stored in a organized collection that is called database. That means here is a Excel, and suppose we are going to write some input some data like etc. So this is what it is, a data, right? And this data are stored in this column and row. Okay, there is a row and this column. So what is in database? A huge quantity of data are stored in a particular organized collections of data. That means database is a place where all the huge quantity of data are stored in a organized form, where you can easily access and manage. So access and manage means what? You can get the data and you can update the data, you can store the data, etc. So hope you understand what is database is and what is data. The next is with the example. Suppose in a company there is a thousands of employees there, and we must have to record the all information of those employees. So it is very difficult to organize in a particular place like a copy and notepad, etc., because it is difficult to fetch as well. It must be a loss, it could be a many things, or many unauthorized operations and unauthorized access could be performed. But in database it is very secure, where you can store a thousands and 10,000s of records of employee in organized form, and where we can also delete and manipulate and perform all the operation which has needed. The second example is students of a college. All the informations of a student in college are organized in a database, where all the students records are there, like when they are going to enter, when they are going to complete their sessions, phone number, parents contact number, fees detail, etc. Okay. The main purpose of database is it's operate a large amount of information by storing, retrieving and managing. This is the main purpose of database, where you can store a huge amount of data. So next is, what is database management system? So database management system is a software system that enable the storing and manipulating and managing and securing a large set of data. So in this video, that means in these sessions, we will perform the all SQL queries on RDBMS. This is updated form of database management system. Alright. RDBMS, Relational Database Management System, is a database system and a software program that manage and maintain data in a tabular format. Like here is what this is called, a tabular format. There could be billions of data are stored in here of Facebook employee. Example is it. So this is called RDBMS. Okay, and there could be many software are available in market which are used as per needed and perform SQL queries. That means perform this language, structured query language, on this particular software to perform the operation as per needed. The next is advantage of database management system. Control redundancy, that means data could be stored on the different places to maintain it. Okay, maintaining multiple copies of data in absolute identical contents condition. If data is going to lost, the one data is already available to recover that. Data sharing is there, and an authorized user can share the data amongst multiple users. Okay, only authorized persons can access the data, right? Facility of backup. Okay, it's provide a backup and recovery system. When data is going to loss, we can recover a data from a other place. Multiple user interface is there. At the same time, many users can use it. Okay, and there could be a disadvantage of database management system, like a size is huge, cost is huge, and complexity. Okay, so hope you are understanding this introduction class regarding SQL and database and what is difference between them. If you have some queries and any queries regarding SQL and database, you must have to put in the comments. Okay, so this class will be continue, and the next session will coming soon, and we will going to discuss the next topic on that on the next videos. Okay, just like my videos and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.